World Kidney Day is celebrated every year on the 10th of March. In Shillong, the first of its kind observation had been organized at Woodland Hospital, Shillong, wherein a rally by hospital staff was taken out to create awareness amongst the general public on various kinds of factors that may lead or prevent the onset of the disease of the kidneys. The theme for the 2022 observation is Kidney Health for All. A function to this effect was held at the Woodland Hospital premises in the presence of the state's first nephrologist attached to Woodland Hospital Shillong, Dr. Ibakulin Kharbuli, and senior practitioners that include Dr. Anjali Sawalang, Dr. Ritwik Barman, Dr. Indrani Bhattacharjee, and members of the hospital staff. Addressing the gathering, nephrologist Dr. Ibakulin Kharbuli said that progression of the disease of the kidneys can be prevented through healthy food habits and early intervention of related signs and symptoms.
Today is the day where we celebrate the World Kidney Day, where it's celebrated all over India as well as the whole world. The theme for this year is the Kidney Health for All. It is aimed to, to create an awareness amongst the people regarding kidney disease. Many people are unaware that they have a kidney problem, and they should come forward and check the kidney status at least after the age of 30 once, and every time, every 6 months or yearly, they should come. And especially the most common causes are diabetes, hypertension, stone disease, or a genetic history. If there's a family history of a kidney disease, then it's like you can get the disease from your family members. And yes, that's it. And it's not like a disease where we can't treat. Early treatment will prevent. One is the progression of the disease, and another is the development of the disease itself also. So many times we don't know how much is the creatinine level. We come at a late stage, and we have to give them dialysis. So that is a very difficult thing to do, and most patients, how long can they stay on the dialysis? So to prevent that, usually we give medical management where you don't need to do that. And mostly the food intake, we should take plenty of water daily, around 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Avoid fructose containing foods like sodas or any of these soft drinks are very bad when you're thirsty and you drink a lot of that. Then fructose is mostly causing kidney disease as well as stones also. So that's one thing. Another common thing in Northeast India I've seen is something called the SLE. It's common in the females. Young girls come with this problem for a lot. So whenever they have joint pains, any redness in the face, and foamy urine, they should come forward. So foamy urine is one symptom. Another is decreased urine output, swelling of the legs, shortness of breath, and pain abdomen also. History of multiple stones, they should come and check their creatinine status.